Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be opening 2 MunchPaks.
I'm going to be opening the first one, and the first one's a snack
2
crate.
snack boxes. Whatever.
This box is from South Africa.
How can you tell?
This is what it looks like inside. It comes with these little stickers and another sticker that says snack crate. Our first item in this box is called mini cheddars. And they look like this.
And this is our taste tester.
Alright, so the mini cheddars are bite-sized crunchy biscuits infused with zesty flavor. And it's either original cheese or a fruit chutney flavor.
What flavor are those?
So these are, what does it say? These are the fruit chutney flavor.
This tastes awful.
Not bad.
I
What's
smelled
that
it. I tried
They're
it.
definitely zesty.
What does zesty mean?
Like tangy.
Our next item we have is called cheese snakes.
They're Willard cheese snacks. These popular corn snacks are easy to knack on. We've included either savory chicken or a tangy fruit chutney flavor.
Savory chicken.
Oh. You have to eat it.
Eat it all. They taste okay.
It's not bad.
She loves them.
All right,
This is
what's next?
good.
One of our next items we have are potato chips, Caribbean onion, and balsamic vinegar
Caribbean
flavor.
onion and balsamic vinegar.
These are what the bag looks like. One chip.
The flavor's stuck.
They're a meh. It's just okay.
Okay.
Finish the chip, Sadie.
Okay, what's the next one?
Our next item we have
It's
here
Mom. She's trying to
are these chips called Simba. They're Mexican chili flavored potato chips. This is what it looks like.
Says these chips feature a blend of savory spices with a deliciously tangy kick.
There's not that much spice in these.
Yeah, I'm not really getting the tangy or the kick.
They just taste like regular potato chips.
What do you think, Sadie?
These taste weird. And spicy.
Our next item we have is, surprisingly, mini cheddars. Cheese flavored.
This is the other one.
Hey, mini cheddars and mini cheddars.
I guess we got both flavors.
They're so good. Unlike the other ones.
Oh, not mine.
What's next?
Our next thing we're unboxing is a chocolate log. It's a creamy marshmallow on crisp wafers covered in milk chocolate. Take the first one. Take the second bite, Sadie.
Just take a bite, Sadie.
It's chocolate. Marshmallows.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
I liked it. It was good.
I'm good.
It's like crispy on the bottom.
It is.
All right, what's next?
The next item I'm unboxing is called Original Flavored Toffee.
These are Original Champion Toffee Candies. Chewy toffee candy featuring a flavor similar to dark molasses. Perfect for an after-dinner treat.
It's like tasted.
I ate the whole thing.
I thought that's what we're supposed to do.
Okay, me and you are gonna share.
All right.
Does it taste like coffee? No.
Okay, I wanna do it. Hard, isn't it?
It's super hard.
Oh my god. Teddy can't even bite into it.
You want your own baby?
It was super hard to bite into.
Good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh.
Our next item is Dairy Milk Top Deck. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it can be split into pieces.
Does it look good?
And a roll gun. Our next item that we had is called Bally Williams, the world's finest honey nut nougat. Dark chocolate coated nougat, soft nougat bar covered in Belgian dark chocolate. And this is what it looks like.
Soft honey nougat enrobed in decadent Belgian chocolate. Just as Sally liked it.
What's the first bite?
Oh, what's this?
Chocolate. Covered in marshmallow.
Good.
Oh, what's on the marshmallow?
Take a bite.
Right there.
Oh. Chocolate.
Huh?
Okay, what's next?
Let's go. Our next item is a 5-state bar. It says, I don't know, 5-star. It's a Cadbury milk chocolate caramel soft country crunchy biscuits.
It says classic Cadbury milk chocolate wraps around a filling of caramel and cookie bits in this highly rated bar.
It looks like this.
I'm taking the last bite.
Okay, what's next, Ethan?
Our next item is Eat Some More. Biscuits Bolachas. Motherfucker.
It says popular since 1940, these delicious shortbread cookies will leave you wanting to eat some more.
Some more. I'm gonna take a break.
Good?
Good, there's just a little cookie.
Our next item is a Tex.
There it is.
That's a rich, creamy Nestle milk chocolate with Aero, Centre, and filled biscuit wafers.
It says since 1956, South Africans have loved this combination of milk chocolate filled wafer layers and an aerated chocolate center.
A lot of chocolate. Looks really good. And our last item in this box is called Bar 1. It's a peanut bar and it says for 25-hour day. Looks like this.
For a 25-hour day.
Yeah. Enjoy layers of malted nougat with a caramel topping, then dipped in rich milk chocolate.
Nougat?
Nougat.
Oh, let me see. My turn. This
My sister will be showing them the next
is
box.
the MunchPak mini. Or MunchPak. It's hard to see in this angle. Oh, it's very bright. And in this box we have the. Okay, so this MunchPak was made with love.
It's a cute little card.
Look, read. I have evidence it was made with love. Whatever it's called. Don't pee.
Okay.
First, okay. This is from. Wait. Where is it? Oh. Daddy, I can't tell. Where is it from?
USA.
Oh, it's from the USA. I'm confused.
What is it called?
This is a wrap snack. Okay.
Okay.
Ugh.
So it says these are wrapped snacks, Fetty wrap honey jalapeno. Crunchy chips with a sweet and spicy honey jalapeno flavor.
I'm gonna get one. Ethan ran away to the kitchen. Can you see me? Next one is, I'm gonna pick. Okay, I personally never had this. It is called, I can't even see.
Haichu.
Bless you.
Haichu.
What is it from?
Haichu is from Japan. Japan. Okay.
Daddy's gonna read the description.
So it's chewy kiwi flavored candy. Okay, here.
We're just gonna open it on the outside.
It's gonna get a tiny pack of it.
Ooh, tiny little back. Okay, we've got 1, 2. It looks like a kiwi. It's so small and tiny. Tiny. Though on the camera, when I zoom into it, it looks like teal. Kind of. It's like, kind of greenish teal. I don't know. That looks like something. It smells really good, though.
No, bite. Like it?
This one tastes so good.
Now put the whole thing in your mouth.
It literally tastes like a Jolly Rancher.
That's kind of like a Starburst, but softer.
And sweeter. And better.
It's like one of those green or red Jolly Ranchers when you just bite into it. Like you suck on it and you get that texture and teeth and they're like so good. And I got it stuck on my
Do the
teeth.
next one.
Okay, what's the next thing?
Oh, do you want to finish it?
Just put it down.
Now, we're gonna move on to this one.
I see.
Wait, here it is. These are ice candies.
They're called icy.
Icy. And they're from Mexico. I'm just gonna zoom in, you can see Mexico. It's kind of blurry.
Now let me see.
It says, wait, I'm gonna read it.
Okay.
Small and chewy cherry flavor candies with a sour kick. I'm just gonna try to zoom into Mexico, but it doesn't work.
Okay, open it.
Okay, wait. It's like a maraca. I can't even wink. Ugh. Okay, We got 3 ices coming now. About 1, 2, and of course.
Oh, they taste like the lemon head. The lemon head candies. This tastes like the cherry ones.
It does not taste good.
Move on to the.
Tastes like cherry.
Now we got this one. Hi.
Hello
Hello,
Panda.
Hello Panda.
And where's that from?
It's from Japan. Okay. It is crunchy and adorable cookies with strawberry cream. Cookies filled with strawberry. Is that obvious? I didn't even have to read it. Cookies filled with strawberry cream. Okay, I got it. Okay, we're just gonna open this. You know, Mom. Okay. Got a little baggie. Oh.
And I'll open the bag.
Oh, I can't even open it. Oh. There's a little candies. Wait. They're these. They're little pandas.
And they have different designs on them.
Yeah, stick it in your mouth, say the whole thing.
What?
Those are strawberries.
That's good. Oh, stop it.
Why does it not taste good?
Okay, last item.
And
Okay, last thing.
I think this is Jizzy. I can't tell.
Yes, this is Jizzy and
Okay, where's it from?
It is from Turkey. And it is crunchy and lightly salted cheese flavored crackers.
well, they keep on breaking. Give me one of the half of the That's good.
It's a cracker. I don't know why you say that. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes like a cracker.
Finish the stage to the ending.
Finish what?
The video.
Oh, oh. I did the intro, you have to do this. Let me think. Trying to think of how to do this.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. We'll be doing another video next month on the next snack crate of this and that. We'll maybe make another double video.
This is the first time making a double video. First time having Dad.
This is the background. Thank
So
you
this
guys
box.
for watching. Bye.
Bye.